Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a Sipsby unboxing. This is a sponsored video. Sipsby did send me this box and you can get $5 off your first box using the code Donareen5. I will leave all that information down below, but I am excited to get into this box, so let's get started. This first tea we're going to get into is this Davidsons organic teas. The flavor is cranberry orange. This does steep for 5 to 7 minutes and it is caffeine free. The description reads, cranberry orange combines cranberry essence with a unique base of chamomile flowers and orange peel, a delicate brew with tart cranberry undertones and a tangy citrus finish. This is what the tea looks like after it is steeped for 5 minutes, and I thought this one was okay. It is definitely unique. The next tea is the Peppermint Macaron by Pinky Up. This one was really good to me. This steeps for 3 to 5 minutes. It is caffeine free. Now, how cute is this silk little pouchy that it comes in? So cute. So I'm going to add some hot water and let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. It is caffeine free and the description reads, whether you're in the holiday spirit or not, the Peppermint Macaron tea is sure to perk you up. So delicious, you'll be reaching for this flavor no matter the season. This smells really good and it's a good combination of white chocolate and lemon balm. That's what I tasted. The next one that we're getting into is the Matcha Green Tea Jasmine by N. This one steeps for 30 seconds. It is medium caffeine. And the description reads, this N exclusive blend offers the floral and fragrant flavor of jasmine balanced with the fresh taste of green tea. Matcha is rich in antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamin C. This one tasted like potpourri to me, but I like the smell. It smelled like jasmine. And last but not least, we have the Chocolate Earl Grey by Tea Drops. This is best used by December 25th, 2020. I absolutely love the packaging. Super, super cute. Once you open it, this is the tea drops. And they just look like a thick block of sugar. All you're going to do is drop it in your cup and then add hot water. This one is high caffeine, and the description reads, this bold exotic combination is great for Earl Grey and chocolate lovers alike. Experience the flavor and benefits of loose leaf tea without the waste or mess of steeping. So I love that. You don't have to worry about the bag or cleaning out your teapot. And this is a closer look of it. It's very dark. Let me tell you, this one is the perfect combination of chocolate and Earl Grey tea. This tea is sweet and I love it. It was awesome. So I arranged the teas from my very favorite to my least favorite. And I have to say the chocolate Earl Grey is my favorite. And then came the peppermint, then the matcha, and then the cranberry. But that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All the information you need to get your own box and get a discount is in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.